I'm here with the team from Volnera. They're doing some epic work, very unique fire team here. So yeah, would love to hear from the guys. Where tell us a little bit about yourself and your experience. I think we'll start with Prajat, the founder.
Sure. Hi, I'm Prajot Taide, and I am currently a BTech student currently in my fifth semester. I am a full stack developer, and I'm also interested in Web3. I've been building on the Solana blockchain for a while now.
Okay, excellent. Yash.
So hi, I am Yash, and I am also in third year currently from PCSOE R Pune, Maharashtra College. Me and Prajot, we both are classmates, and yeah, I am also full stack developer and Web3 and Solana enthusiast. So yeah, that's all.
Okay, excellent. And Asvin. Oh, not able to hear him. Are y'all?
No.
No, we're not able to hear you, brother. Um, all right, let's go back to Prajat. Tell us about the problem you guys are, specifically attacking here.
Yeah, sure. So, we there are a few bug bounty marketplaces on in the market right now, and the problem that we notice with them is that a lot of times when we report a bug or when we resolve a bug, we're not really guaranteed whether the company will pay back. For example, in open source, if I'm contributing to your project, it's not necessary that I will get a return always. Maybe my solution is valid, maybe it's not. Maybe I'll get better feedback. It's very uncertain. So what we're solving is, we're creating a platform that is based on the main thing is that they will get a guarantee. So we are using Solana for that, and what will happen is a company will deposit funds into an escrow account. So they will register themselves as someone who is willing to pay bounty hunters. So people who will report bounties, they might even solve it if it's an open source project, but for most projects the code isn't really disclosed. So what the focus is on reporting bugs, that there's a bug here. And what happens is, when a bug is reported, the company checks whether the bug is a valid bug, and if it's a valid bug, the payment automatically transfer to the user's account through an escrow contract. So it decentralizes that in a manner, and it makes it transparent. So the bug bounty hunters can already see how much the company has deposited, and which makes it transparent.
Okay. All right, sweet. So there's quite a few bug bounty platforms that exist. What makes Vulnera unique?
uh, the main thing that differentiates Vulnera is the decentralization, because we use the Solana blockchain. The bounty hunting companies that exist right now are on the Web3 platform, and they need certain users, middlemen, to sit and decide. And it's not guaranteed that the fund will always be there. So the bounty hunters are sometimes it's not guaranteed that they will always get a return. But in our platform, there's a 21-day window in which, if the company does not respond, if they neither accept nor reject the bug, then the company can be reported. And that in that manner, there is a performance overhead for the company as well as the bounty hunter to always be fair.
Okay, tremendous. Why don't we go ahead and dive into the platform? Love to see what you guys have cooked up.
Yeah, sure. I'll share my screen.
Okay.
Is
Yeah.
my screen visible?
Yep, we can see it.
Yeah. So this is the website. So there are three types of users. The first is the company. The second is the bounty hunter, and the third is the admin. The admin's job is simple. They just verify whether all the companies. So if I register a new company today, the admin will just verify. And in the future, if a company gets reported, the admin will be able to see which companies have been reported, and will be able to take actions accordingly.
Mhm.
So we have a smooth sign up process. After the company has signed up, they can attach their wallets, they can go to bounties, and they can create a bounty. Now, a test bounty already exists. So if we check this bounty that was created by this company itself, we can see the escrow contract in which the bounty was stored. So this is basically the pool from which the bounties will go to the bounty hunters.
Mhm.
Now it's very transparent. It's directly on the Solana blockchain, on the DevNet currently. So if we click here, we can just go and check it on the actual blockchain.
Okay.
So
Very transparent.
yeah. entirely. We can even add funds to it later, but for now, let's say I've created a new bounty and I've put zero point 0.2 soul into it. So
Mhm.
what that means is, from this zero point 0.2 soul, I will be giving it to the bounty hunters who actually have reported a verified bounty. So it's a, what's it called, um, it's a bounty that the company verifies, right? So it's a legitimate bounty. Sorry, bug. It's a legitimate bug that has been reported. So then the company will be approving it, and directly from this escrow account, through a smart contract that we have written,
Mhm.
the Solana will go to the user.
Okay, excellent. And talk to us more about some of the privacy and security benefits, as that narrative is, really hot right now.
Yeah, sure. So here we can see that it's an escrow account. So when the company, it, it's all on the blockchain, right? So
Yeah, I will take over.
okay, sure.
So basically, this is a PDA, right? It is a program derived address where the funds are storing. When the company is creating a bounty, the funds are storing onto the Solana blockchain, and which can be seen by clicking on the View Escrow account, right? And also we have included one more feature is AI analysis. If there are many users who are submitting a similar type of bug, they for companies, we can say like a company can use AI analysis to identify that if is the report legitimate or it is a scam. Like Prajot can show by clicking on reanalyze. So for that we have used the Gemini 2.5 Flash model in the backend, and it will also help the company to analyze the bug really quickly. And the Prajot can now show the upper side, like where the approved submissions are there, the critical, how the risk and severity are there. Yeah, so when he clicked on reanalyze, the whole submission has been analyzed by the Gemini model, and all the key findings have come for that particular bug. So it will be also helpful for the company to verify the submissions by the bounty hunters.
Yeah, right. So the company can either approve, reject, or request more information in case the bug has been reported, but it's not been communicated properly what the bug actually is. So we can request for more information. We can reject in case it's a spam or if the bug doesn't really exist, and we can approve it in case the bug does exist. And in which case the Solana will automatically be transferred to them through our escrow contract that we had created.
Mhm. And what's the key benefit that you're seeing for the bug bounty hunters? Where are they kind of getting to earn
Yes.
here?
So if I'm a bug bounty hunter, and if I come to this website, if this is a open bounty, so if I view the details for this, I can directly see the Solana that has been funded here. So it's very transparent, as we said. It's on the Solana blockchain, so we can see that the company has put Solana here, which shows some credibility from the company side, right? That we are willing to put this much into the pool, and we are going to give this to the bounty hunters. So in that way, trust is created for the user as well as the company, because since the company is depositing it in a escrow contract, the smart contract is written in such a way that only the company or the approved submission is going to be able to change this. So the company won't fear that we as Valnera might be able to misuse this money, since the Solana is in a secure escrow contract. So that creates trust for the company and as well as for the user, since it's a escrow contract and they can see how much the company has put in.
Okay, excellent. So anything else you guys want to show us in the platform here?
Sure. Should we show you the method of submitting?
Okay, let's have a look.
So this is the bounty hunter.
Mhm.
Now suppose I want to.
Yeah, the bounty hunter can view here, like by just clicking on view escrow, he can see on the explorer that yeah, this company has funded this bounty for uh, whatever soul it is, and uh, the bounty hunter can see the description, the requirements, what is in scope and out scope, what the company wants the bounty hunter to look forward. Like some companies want UI fixes, some companies want to like be specific in a domain. So it will also help the bounty hunters to narrow down their search for the hunting of the errors and other stuff.
Hmm.
Right. Yes. So suppose this is a bounty and I want to submit a bug report. So I click on this button and we can enter the entire bug details here.
Right.
And after entering, if we submit, then it will be shown on the user's dashboard. Oh, sorry, on the company's dashboard.
Okay.
Now, suppose this is a test bug submission. So we can see now we have already approved this. If I create another one, let's select a bug title. For example, uh, faulty payment logic. Let's just say vulnerability type. Let's choose um, edge case failure, and then some description here. For now, I'll just copy this over. Steps to do this also. I will copy this over. Impact assessment. It's a critical issue. Proof of concept also they can put. We'll just put a random one here. Attachments are optional. In some cases, if we need to provide some image or something, we can attach it here so that the company gets a clear idea of what's wrong, and then we can submit the bug report. So now the bug report has been submitted successfully and it's in a pending state.
Yeah. I love that dark mode. It's like a fire.
Yes. Thank you. So now we
I
can
think it's another
Mhm.
company you have submitted. Just
okay, I've
check.
submitted it to another company.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that's fine. You can show the previous one, and it's the same interface
Yeah, yeah.
where the user will where the company admin can approve that bug and
Okay, so
can reanalyze it if they want.
this is
Okay.
an approved
Right.
submission, right? So here instead of approved, which will just be pending since we have
Yeah,
just created it.
Right. And are
And
y'all approving those, or is it permissionless?
company
no,
is approving it.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
There's no approval needed. We are giving the company the option of using AI to filter out the spam or just irrelevant reports.
Hmm.
So to shorten the time of the person who will be verifying these.
Okay.
So we can just review the actions. We can approve, we can reject, or we can request for more information.
Excellent. Very
And we
cool.
also have a 21 days limit for this. So to keep the company accountable, because we don't just want means we want to make sure that when bounty hunters are submitting, they can be ensured that they will be treated, they will be responded to, they won't be just left on red.
Right.
So we are giving a 21 days window for the company, after which the user can report the company.
Uh-huh.
So the
Okay.
company can, if they choose to approve, they will just click on this button and the escrow transaction will automatically happen from the escrow contract.
Okay.
Company will just
Is it
sign a
set up?
transaction.
Is it set up like there's how many winners are there?
Everyone is winning, right? Uh,
Okay, so it's like a split reward system.
So
yes,
it actually depends on the company. If they really want to give everyone the amount, they can. But if they specifically choose like no, these few submissions should get the reward since they have submitted it first, so they might be getting it.
I think I misunderstood the question. Could you repeat that again? Could you rephrase it in different manner?
Yeah, no, I was just asking about how the prize pool is split up amongst the bounty
It's
hunters.
okay. Yeah, yeah. So suppose for one bounty, there are multiple at multiple reports for just one bounty. So sorry, for just one bug. So what the company can do is they can give it to the one who submitted the earliest, or they can divide it among all those people who have reported that bug. So it's up to the company.
Okay, very cool.
And
A lot of
yeah,
options.
and in this when this transaction is going, in this transaction itself, we have in the smart contract itself, we have embedded the logic of taking a 2% platform fee. So there are no other prices. The company might choose to take a premium version and get more AI features, but as for the base uh, platform fee, it will only be we will only be charging it when the transaction occurs. So suppose the company has approved it, the 2% platform fee will be automatically deducted and it is written that way into the smart contract.
All right, word. Very cool. So talk to us more about the tokenomics.
What do you mean?
The token that you guys are having. You know what? Can you just tell us more about how the token holders will benefit?
Oh yeah, yeah. No, we haven't released a token yet.
Hmm. Gotcha. So talk to us more about the product roadmap.
Sure. So most of these features are built. Actually, all of these features are built. We are planning to build some more, and so we can finish that in around 1 month. We'll be finishing it by the end of uh, December probably, and then after that we can start onboarding users directly. So our plan is to get companies as well as bounty hunters on board.
Okay, great. Very cool. Um, Excellent. Well, where can we find out more, about you guys and the project?
You can check out Vulnera's Twitter as well as LinkedIn. Sure.
Okay. And when is the platform going live?
The platform is already live.
Oh, it is live. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
It is just on the DevNet for now. We are just planning to move it on mainnet if everything well
Right.
moves right.
Okay. Very cool. Awesome.
Yeah.
Great. Well, thank you guys so much for coming on the stream. It's been sweet. Anything else you guys would like to share today?
Nothing from my side. Yes, Ashwin.
No, it was cool talking to you, yeah, and
Yeah, for
sharing the
sure.
project.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. All right. We'll see y'all soon.